My name is Owen everyone. Welcome to the video. Thanks for joining me. And today I want to talk about what I've experienced in my life regarding the best sex and sexual feelings and energy, relations, enjoyable, most pleasurable, fun, free, happy, carefree, in the moment, playful, fun, sex, sexual energy, make love, having sex in my life. So I know sex is a little bit of a taboo subject, and the reason it is because society has brainwashed, if that's too hard a word, let's soften it. It's conditioned and programmed us, hope that's not too hard of a word, depending on our culture, depending on our gender, that basically the body's not good enough, sexual parts are dirty, wrong or bad, and that's the fundamental judgment. Bad, wrong, or not good enough. So all the magazines show that, and all this sort of stuff. But moving on to the next point, because that's not what this video is totally about. This video, I want to share how I've progressed through my life into different relationships, and now I've landed myself in my favourite, love and respect to all my previous soul mate or soul agreement, soul contracts, lovely, beautiful, sweetheart girlfriends and partners. We've all moved on, we've moved on with our life. I hope they're having the best relationships and best sex of their life. But about me, I know I am. And the reason being is because I've been doing work on myself. I don't mind that phrase. Some people don't like calling it work, personal work. For me, personal growth, expansion and learning is fun. I don't mind calling it work because it takes conscious energy, intention and effort to look at yourself, to reflect, to study and to learn about yourself, including your sexual preferences. You're being honest and disclosing and sharing certain taboo subjects which people have triggered emotions about, such as, ooh, this is bad. Like, you know, like there's oral sex, anal sex. Oh my god. Do you know there's more actual nerve endings in the anus and rectum than the vagina? Yes, I'd highly recommend sex education. I'm subscribed to a few sex channels and I'd highly recommend them, everyone. How to last longer as a man. Maybe I should make videos for that. That's pretty important for a woman too, for the man not to like ejaculate too soon. How to just be free and comfortable in your body, because at the end of the day, one thing that I've learned, the best sex happens when you feel best emotionally with somebody. You can talk, you can share what you really like, want, faster, slower, harder, softer, this place, not that place, up, down. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with sex, everyone. It's like an absolute 100% gift and joy and thing to be liked, loved, explored, adventured and appreciated with people who you trust, love and feel happy and comfortable with. Me personally, I'm actually monogamous. I'm not really interested at all in open relationships like with many partners. I like to keep, there's enough, and for me, it's hard and challenging and rewarding enough to have one partner. I don't know how I could have the time, energy to have like 3 or 2 or whatever, 4. Anyway, I like developing personally a really close bond and getting to know someone, and yeah, that's my preference. So, this video is only 3 minutes long. I thought I was talking for ages. So everyone, I hope you're liking this video, and if you are, give it a like, and leave any questions, comments or queries, and I promise to get back to you, because it's my passion and dedication to help you in life. Because I've been through the mill, I've been from the downest to the uppest. No pun intended, regarding the sexual energy. Yeah, I didn't want to live a long time ago, and I had little will left, and I just bored and almost hated life, almost. I was down and out, and I sprung back due to spirit. But sex. So for me, it's so important to have sex and communicate. Communication is the #1 most important thing in relationships. To intimacy. Do you ever hear of the word intimacy or vulnerability or authenticity and honesty? They're all the same thing. They're just different words, basically speaking to everybody. So that's part of personal growth. So when you can communicate, yeah, you can have the best sex ever. So it's really important to raise your vibration and to heal in order to move through relationships such as twin flame. Loads of people think they meet their twin flame or soulmate, and it's like it's a soul agreement. It's a learning, and like they get on great. Hormones and neurotransmitters are high at the beginning, and then suddenly you get to realize you're incompatible. You can't communicate. You or them or both of you are flipping out because old wounds are being triggered to the surface, which is a beautiful thing. It's to help you to heal and to grow and to learn. and to have a much happier, better life then. But a soul agreement relationship is not like worse. It's less fun and less connected than a soulmate higher vibrational relationship than the one I'm in now. But it's not worse. It's like it's valid. It's meant to be. It comes in divine timing. All our lessons come in divine timing. All of our losses that are catastrophic come in divine timing. They all are for personal growth. So eventually you move through the gears, you learn to communicate, you develop wisdom and knowledge, and then you're empowered and you move on to a relationship that's much more compatible, like the way I'm in now. So everyone, jeepers creepers, it's my passion to help you. So I do parenting, soulmatic / soulmate vibrational relationship counseling or preparation consultations, as well as health consultations, raising children consultations, personal healing, growth and expansion and development consultations. I don't know, everyone, like, I really do want you to have the best relationship possible eventually when you're ready. It's all preparation. So don't wait, don't get disheartened, disgruntled if you're in a hard relationship now. I also do like how to like end and let go, like don't stay in a relationship too long. But you know what, at the end of the day, in the perfect timing, you will separate eventually if you're in an abusive or a unhappy relationship. I used to be in a pretty hard, challenging soul contract. It was a tough relationship, definitely 100% really difficult for the two of us. I know I didn't like it a lot, but you know, I liked and I loved the person, like really close to me. I loved them now. We don't stay in too much touch anymore, but really respect this beautiful woman, special person in my life, soul family. But at the end of the day, back in the day, I suffered a lot of trauma as a child. I was needy and clingy. I was vulnerable and insecure, so I was afraid to leave the relationship. I just didn't know how. I didn't know how to go alone in my life. I almost felt like I needed her to look after me to a degree. I don't mind admitting that, you know, because that's just the way it was. That's called truth, intimacy, transparency, or authenticity. Whatever word you pick, everyone, you choose. You don't have to get attached to the word, it's just a descriptive word. So yeah, I really love and honour her and me at that time in our lives, and now we've both moved on. But yeah, I hope this video helped everyone. I really wish you all the best, and I have compassion if you're in a hard relationship. I've been there, seriously. I've been through a number of relationships. I've learned my lessons in each one, and that's all you can do, everyone. So if I can help you to learn your lessons, to heal, get clearer, I offer whatever discount you even almost need, because at the end of the day, I love money and energy, and I love receiving love and gifts. Presents and money is a gift and a present too. I love it. It's great. It helps in my life. You know that already. It's like a token to do stuff. But that's not why I make videos. That's not why I do consultations. I do it to help others who are on the path that's challenging the road that I've walked. And I know it's hard and difficult, and I have a sensitive, tender heart, and I want to help. So if you want consultations, body, mind, spirit, health, emotional healing, communication, relationship preparation, or helping to go through a challenging relationship right now, I can definitely, powerfully help. So I don't want you to get stressed over money. I want you to share what you can, what you want. I'm not trying to pressurize you or get you to be stressed, but obviously sharing back is nice, and I accept that out of self-love. Yeah, wish you a nice day. I hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments or queries regarding herbs, my herb store, me, my consultations, this video, if you have any requests for videos, topics, do it, leave them below. I promise to get back to you. Thanks for watching, everyone. Lots of love. So subscribe, share, like, please too. I'd love to spread the message. And for more videos on body, mind, spirit, and holistic living, living a thriving, prosperous life. It's so good, everyone. I love life. It's just the best thing ever. I'd come back here 1,000 times over. I love being a human. I love being alive. It doesn't matter about the stuff that's hard. It's just so and too much stuff that's good that'll draw me back again here, everyone. Seriously. Life rocks. I love life. There's so many nice things in it, everyone. So many. The rain, I love it. Being barefoot, I love it. My phone, I love it. Technology, I love it. My loved ones, my friends, my family, my children, my mum, my dad, my parents, my brothers and sisters, the nature, trees, the ocean. I love swimming in the ocean, everything. There's a billion things. Swimming pool, food, so many different nice things, everyone. Learning, growing, so fulfilling and satisfying. Life unfolding like one day at a time. one lesson at a time is the best ever. I don't know. People who say this place is like a prison camp or like a terrible place, like what's it called? Like just the wheel of life. Like you don't want to come back here again. You want to escape. That's ridiculous. I don't know what they're thinking. I don't resonate with that whatsoever. I love cars. I love everything. I love beepings. I love horns. I love noises. I love sleep. I love rest. I love movies. I love everything. Life rocks. This is a beautiful playground of the soul. We are players here, everyone. We're like playground masters. We're like just so blessed to be alive. Every day is a gift. So don't be disheartened if you're in a hard relationship now. Just, you're so gifted to be alive. It's the best thing ever. Don't wait till next year. Wait till like 5 minutes time. Take some deep breaths or go to sleep and have a nap. Wait till then and then just have the best appreciative life ever. I don't know. I'm serious saying this, everyone. I'm not trying to like be joking. I'm serious. Life is like absolutely amazing. I love life. This is the best ever. There's so many nice things, like growing up, being a child, like being an adult, like making conscious business and money, and just loving your family, working for you, and you're making money, like growing, learning, planting seeds, growing a garden. Shopping can be fun, running, singing, dancing, swimming, shower, bath, essential oils. Man, I don't know, talking, joking, like, I don't know. It's just ridiculous. Life's the best ever. Bark, climbing trees. I love climbing trees. This video totally deviated from the sexy topic I started at the beginning. Spontaneity, surprises, that's like another thing in life. It's just crazy, everyone. I don't know. That's all I'd say, everyone. Love you, loads of love. So subscribe, share, like, favorite, blah blah blah, befriend me on Facebook. Just whatever, I don't really care actually. Yeah, just do whatever you want to do. My family are coming. Love you. Love you. Don't forget to friend me and subscribe, to share, leave me questions, comments. Say hello. Tell me you like the video. See you, everyone. Take care. Thanks. Love you. Bye.